Hey guys, you're never going to guess what kind of car this is. What do you think it is? A Mercedes? That ain't no Mercedes. You think it's an Audi? Nope, that ain't no Audi. BMW? Nah, none of that crazy stuff. That's a Nissan. What's up, guys? I think it's time for us to go look into the future. And let's see what a real concept car is going to look like. It's going to look nice. Everything that comes out of it's going to be smooth. And you're probably going to be able to fly around just like a drone. Hopefully we won't need a pilot's license. But check that out. Isn't that just beautiful? Now, I don't know how much it costs, but I do know I want one.
Have you seen this concept car before? Chances are you have, because it's an old concept. But this BMW is still pretty slick today. It's made of a fabric body, which has pieces inside which allow it to shapeshift, which is pretty crazy. Guess how old that technology is? 5 years? No. 10 years? 15-year-old technology. Guys, share, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.
If you're looking to get a Mustang to beat a Corvette, I just want you to know right now, it's definitely going to cost you a pretty penny. And when I say that, I'm talking starting about 80 grand. And if you want to beat that Corvette, that's going to be some twin turbos and about $140,000. But guys, make sure when you do that, wear your seatbelt. Hey guys, have you ever seen a $3 million hypercar hit the track? Well, you're about to right here. Make sure to like and subscribe. Oh, that's out of control. Let's see. Alright guys, I definitely found the car for the elite. It's the Lamborghini Vision GT with the V12 in it. You want to know what a car like that's going to cost you? What do you think, $1 million? Nope. $3 million? No. What about $5 million? That'll get you in the door. Guess how high it goes up to? $18 million. Guys, make sure to share, subscribe, and be safe.